Okay, so boom. Today, y'all are gonna be like a point of view in my life. No, y'all are gonna be like, you're in my private story on Snapchat. I don't post in my private story for real, like I used to. But when I did post my private story, I really gave the people a day in the life. Before I even posted on YouTube, I gave people a day in the life. And really what this is gonna be is a day in the life, but this is unfiltered, raw, unedited, uncut. Just the real me. I don't really have much plans today, but I think to pick up the camera when I'm gonna eat chicken parmesan for breakfast. How unhealthy could I be? I don't know. But that's not really given healthy. Only because we don't really have breakfast food here. We gotta go to the store. I thought we were gonna do that today. But yeah, I'm gonna enjoy my chicken parmesan, probably off camera because I'm gonna catch with y'all literally when there's something to do.
Beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. If I got another chance to, I will never, no, never neglect you. I mean, who am I to hold your best against you? I just hope that it.
Giving the girls colorful. Alright, y'all, so I just got dressed for, did I even tell you where we're going today? Did I even give y'all an intro? I don't know if I did that, but well, actually I don't know if I want to give y'all an intro due to the fact that this is my private story. In my private story I wouldn't give y'all an intro, but y'all know the gist. Like, comment, subscribe, all of that. So today I'm going to the African World Festival in downtown Detroit. I wanted to get into the vibes. Once to the World Festival, waiting for my boyfriend to come pick me up, or waiting for my boyfriend to get here so I can start driving. Y'all, I'm watching How to Get Away with Murder. I'm loving it. My roommate was watching it last year and I'm starting to watch it now and I'm literally obsessed. But yeah, when he comes, we're gonna find some place to eat, because if you are hip in Michigan, this is a place called Como's in Ferndale. They're supposed to be they have good pizza, something like that. I have been wanting to go, but Como's is just like so booked and busy that we can't get a seat. So we're gonna go up there and try to get a seat. Trying to find socks in this house is literally like me trying to find a needle in a haystack. I found one sock. My grandma was like, it's so cold outside today. Girl, bye. It's not cold today. It's really hot. I don't know if I'm liking this little side thing. Actually, no, I do like it. Oh yeah, waiting for my man. He should be here in 4 minutes, but I doubt he will be here in 4 minutes. I'm gonna catch with y'all when we get in the car, or actually I'm gonna have him vlog because he needs to update y'all as well. So yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all when we get in the car. Tell me why I forgot to get the thing so y'all can drive with me. Currently I'm parking in this parking lot waiting for my boyfriend to see if this place has any availability. I want him to call me and see if they have availability. If not, we're going down to the festival and eating food, because we've been trying this restaurant twice. It's ridiculous. Oh my god, are they really about to give me a ticket? Like, why? Like, where are these, oh, you go. Where are these cops coming from? Y'all, my man got a table and I think I got a parking spot. Don't freaking play with me. It didn't give me a receipt nor a pay. I think I'm fine. A server comes to us. How do they know that? How do they know for a server to come to us?
Yeah, he was stuck.
Oh, okay.
He's not working as Mondays.
Hi, babe.
Yeah.
You see me
and I can beat Gordon Ramsay, Aunt Ramsay any day. Alright, y'all. We just finished eating. I gotta get a thumbnail, but we just finished eating.
My bad. I'm sorry.
My seats are really high. But Babe's gonna hold the camera while I drive, and he's gonna say the rating.
I'm gonna be honest. It was an 8.5.
What?
It wasn't the best pizza I ever had. You know, Shields is where it's really at.
It was the best
it was top tier. It's top tier for sure. Like I'll come back. I'll come back here 1,000 more times.
I will come back. I will come back at night. I want to see the vibe at night because they had a really cool DJ.
We still filming, y'all, because still not to stop her on camera.
So cute. I'm gonna get some when we get back into. Well, when we get back inside. When we get inside.
Estoy frío, I'm way colder, I'm coming, mentirosa, el palomo, no me joda. Custom yours, it came ordered. I'm that bitch and you're ahora. He called me abusadora. Papi, tú lo sabes que lo vengo hecho con. These niggas is capping, they should wear a sombrero. I would share my man before I share my dinero. Muerta on my money on my cabello. I make international plays. Papi, tú lo sabes que lo vengo hecho con.
Baby mama Spanish, that's my mama secret. Herbo always in some drama. I stay in a mouth like margaritas. Run my hood like Malcolm X, cause I'm a leader. When we met, she told me that she ain't no hoe, but that's how I'ma treat her. Plus we speaking cold. Wanna fuck.
We in line for some lemonade, y'all. We heard it's gonna be good. Anyway, y'all, I'll get back with y'all when we get this lemonade.
Me in the rose, then we being bold. Years be hugging the road, baby. Asking she borrow my soul, baby. Get in, we ready to go, baby. Don't ask no questions, just roll, baby. Told this you my shooter. Teach me something, be my tutor. Fuck them bitches, they buy soda. Let me show you how maneuver. Ain't them trenches stuck in Rico. Sticking to the cheat codes. When you with me, I'm a cheat code. Give me a besito.
I do this shit for me, gente, for my people.
I'm not falling out like I used to. I don't do those things I used to no more. Wasn't it? I made a TikTok about that song and I said when I don't argue, when I don't pick arguments. The song was trending on TikTok and it was like, I'm gonna post it in this video because I'm trying to remember. It was like, I don't post arguments or something. Yo, he ain't find crap. Had us on the first floor, lost. Okay, let's wait the festival.
Foot stuck in the door.
Festival was, yes, I'll be your wifey. Yes, I'll be your wifey. He don't want to have kids and he don't want to get married.
Bro, chill with that. I'm playing, bro. We smooth. The festival, you know what I'm saying, for the people, the now.
Wow.
For us, it's a 9.
They have some cute stuff, but we like to overprice our stuff. I could buy them same sunglasses. No, y'all, I bought these glasses from Amazon for $18. This lady was charging me $50 for these glasses. Like, baby.
Why?
This is why.
Why are we not supporting our black people? This is the problem right now. That's the problem. We're not supporting our black brothers and sisters. That's what we're not doing.
But then again, I
she
think
getting it from the white man, Mr. Jeff Bezos.
But
you know
I think
but we're not supporting our black queens. There's $20 hats, big old hats.
Actually, I would pay that because they do have hats the same price at the beauty supply store. So I would pay that. But other than that, no. I'm not taking myself out anymore because why does my order always get messed up every single time? It got messed up last night. It got messed up today. And I'm so sick of it. But now we about to play pool.
me about that work. You see me, I be work. You see me do me dirt. Tell me about that work. When you walk out, before the table turn. Beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. If I got another chance to, I will never neglect you. I mean, who am I to hold you fast against you? I just hope that it gets to you. I hope that you see this through. I hope that you see this through. What can I
won, y'all. Alright, y'all, if you can hear me, ignore the fan. I forgot to record the ending for this video, and if I'm looking up, I'm not looking at the camera, but anyways, I forgot to record the ending for this video, so don't be mad at me. But it's the next day and I forgot. But thank you guys for watching. Please give it a like, rate, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications because it's over on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And with that, thanks for watching, Lisa babes.